Hi, Andeng. Happy birthday! We wish you good health, wisdom, more birthdays, and more blessings to come. May all your dreams come true. Just have faith and always pray and praise God. We love you, miss you. Mama, chup chup. Bye-bye.
Hello, Apo. My first Apo. Andeng. Ang maganda kong Apo. Good morning. Good morning dito sa US. Happy birthday. Hope you enjoy the rest of your life. God bless you always. Love you.
Mom.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Andeng, happy birthday.
Hello.
Wow.
Happy birthday daw!
Happy birthday, Ate Andeng. May all your wishes come true.
Dasal ka lang palagi, matutupad lahat ng pangarap mo. Ingat palagi.
God bless.
God bless. Tulog
Bye-bye
na.
daw,
Bye-bye.
tulog na.
Love you.
Love you.
To our very first pamangkin, Ate Andeng, happy 18th birthday. We wish we're all there to celebrate you. My prayer for you is good health and more blessings to come. We're very, very proud of all of your accomplishments, and you have turned into such a beautiful, beautiful person who honors her parents and takes good care of her sister. We can't wait, and we're very excited for the next things that you're going to do in this next chapter of your life. We want you to aim higher and reach for your goals, knowing that we're all here to support you no matter what. Okay, we love you. We miss you. Bye. See you soon.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Andeng. For me, anyway, Tita Ella and Tito Anna, we love you and take care always. We're always here for you. We love you. Bye.
Hi, Andeng. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Stay safe. Bye-bye. Love you.
Hi, Andeng. Have a good and blessed happy birthday. Enjoy everything. One of a kind, one experience.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Bye.
18th. Happy birthday, Andeng.
Hi, happy birthday. May the good Lord bless you, protect you, and give you a good and long lifespan.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.